We are Healthy Injection, designed by ourselves to discuss GlaxoSmithKline in terms of corporate social responsibility. Our aim is to describe current position of GSK as a global organization and show our personal recommendation as to which company could apply for its future benefits. GSK is one of the world's leading research-based pharmaceutical and healthcare company. It is engaged in discovery, development, manufacturing, and marketing of pharmaceutical and consumer health-related products. Some of the top competitors of GSK are Abbott Laboratories, Johnson & Johnson, and the Schering-Plough Corporation.
Over the years, the industry has witnessed increased political attention due to rising recognition of the economic importance of healthcare as a component of social welfare. In the last few years, the pharmaceutical industry witnessed high-value mergers and acquisitions. US is the fastest-growing market, and since 1995 it has accounted for almost 60% of global sales. In recent time, the impact of various global epidemics like the swine flu or AIDS has also attracted popular and media attention to the industry. The internal SWOT analysis. We feel that the most important strength of GSK is that they are in an industry-leading position. Major weakness is the lack of blockbuster product launches. The external SWOT analysis. The major opportunity for GSK is the potential to increase sales growth in the rest of world's emerging markets. The new economic potential of emerging China, India, and competition in diverse regional markets, as well as patent expiry on drugs that generate strong income, are threats GSK are facing.
Five forces analysis is a technique for identifying the most relevant aspects of the profitability of an organization. It is not easy for new competitors to enter in the pharmaceutical market because of high entry costs, such as cost of researching. It is therefore needed for competitors to find substitutes to overcome that problem. As a consequence, GSK is currently faces a growing threat from generic version of its top-selling drugs. GSK has a challenging and inspiring mission to improve the quality of human life by enabling people to do more, feel better, and live longer. In order to do that, this pharmaceutical company adopted a particular strategy. It is diversifying the business to create a more balanced product portfolio and investing in key growth areas such as emerging markets, Japan, vaccines, and its consumer healthcare business. It aims to sustain an industry-leading pipeline of products, ensuring that they demonstrate value for healthcare providers, and is transforming operational model to reduce complexities, improve efficiency, and reduce costs.
Corporate social responsibility requires businesses to align their values and behaviour with the expectations and needs of all stakeholders. The diagram here presents a way of analysing how managers can respond to ideas and opportunities of socially responsible behaviour. GSK have been exposed to many controversial issues in current and recent years. For example, GSK make products which save and enhance the quality of people's lives around the world, but at the same time aim to make a profit at their expense. Some find this questionable and rather disturbing. To answer some of these questions, GSK produced an annual corporate social responsibility report which covers information such as their contribution to global health, ethical conduct, environmental sustainability, and much more. GSK's mission and values for CSR is to improve the quality of human life by enabling people to do more, feel better, and live longer. This is enacted through their company values, which are respect for people, patient-focused, transparency, and integrity. GSK are actively working through their management of corporate responsibility to tackle ongoing and unforeseeable issues. Before giving our recommendation, we will first look at GSK's current position within the Competing Values Framework. The Competing Values Framework is a theoretical leadership tool used to assess communication, leadership, organisational culture, and decision-making processes within an organisation, which, if used appropriately, can help to achieve the company's overall objectives. The internal and external audits of GSK have shown us that they are already utilising many parts of the Competing Values Framework, but are mainly operating within the Open Systems model and using some parts but not all of the Rational Goal model. This is because GSK are very much geared towards innovation and direction. For example, GSK scientists are constantly working hard to discover new ways of treating and preventing diseases. Because GSK operate on a global level and are a large and diversified organisation, we recognise that they have to adapt with different cultural needs and expectations. We therefore recommend that in order to keep up to pace with society's changing values, environmental issues and unsettled political and turbulent economical challenges, they should continue to use the same models but to utilise elements from the internal process model too. By having more control of their internal projects and managing across functions and countries, this will support their aims to improve affordability of GSK medicines and vaccines within middle-income countries and will also complement their opportunities in emerging markets, which will also create sharper decision-making and reduced risks, enhance their brand image, reduce costs, attract, retain and motivate employees.